Do you need to be able to display your data in a clear, concise chart, in a report or presentation? Have you tried in the past, but it never looks exactly how you had hoped or imagined? If so, then our Excel 2016 Spotlight on Charts course with me, Fiona Hannon, Certified Trainer, is the right course for you. This course introduces you to the power of charts in Microsoft's most recent version. You'll learn how to create a chart from different types of raw data. We'll give you tips as to which chart is best for different situations and also how to choose a layout. This course will go through each of the parts of the chart and the formatting features that go with each, and also how to save a chart design as a template so you and your team can use it over and over again. At the end of this course, you can take our online assessment to gain certification to prove to yourself and others that you are a skilled chart user. Join thousands of people like you by getting the most out of Excel 2016. Enjoy your course.